My name is Bethany Hammons. I am an NMSU graduate from 2010, and I was a Fred Hutch internship from 2009, summer of 2009. While I was at the Fred Hutch, I worked on 2 different projects. One of them was working with gut microbia in women with ranging BMIs. So we were looking at maybe there's a link between methanogens, and we like to think that there's calories in and calories out. But in the case, if you have more methanogens, there's actually more calories in than calories out versus other people. It was really awesome. I got to use quantitative PCR, which I love, and I had a great time on the bench. The second part of the project was working with nutritionists in the field. I developed a calendar for them as an educational tool. I worked with Dr. Johanna Lampe. I was really fortunate to work with someone so high up as a mentor because she oversaw tons of different projects. I mean, I got to go down to their lab to see the community-based projects that they did with different food techniques. So one of them they had been working on was grazing. Does grazing help nutrition versus eating 3 square meals a day? They did a lot of high glycemic and low glycemic diets. When I came from the Southwest, they were really excited about all the agave nectar we had because that was just the huge new thing. So it was exciting to be like, oh yeah, I'm from there. We have agave down there, it's normal. So I just got to work with a lot of different people in a lot of different areas. From the lab, I got to see it transition into the community. So those were my 2 projects, and it was super fun and awesome.
Bethany is an example of a student who was an intern as a graduate student, completed her MPH at NMSU, and is now employed as a professional in the Department of Health in Texas in Houston. She has a great skill in relating to people and is very personable, and that came across immediately to the current students during the presentation. She is doing a public health project on sexually transmitted diseases in Houston, and this is a tough topic to talk about, and she does a great job doing it.
Living with AIDS, it's really not a fatal disease anymore. You can live with it. It's not a death sentence like it used to be. So they work a lot with our community. The prevention and testing, that's probably one of the biggest ones. So one of our biggest events, I have it here, is Hip Hop for HIV. Sounds so legit. It actually is. At first,
many of the students that were interns in our program have never left Las Cruces in their lives until they go away with our program. And many of the students in the room don't imagine leaving the Mesilla Valley. And so this is a way for them to see that kids just like them, students just like them, can get trained, can go and work at first-class institutions. They're competitive, they have something to bring and offer to the biomedical research that needs to be done in the entire nation.